How to improve the video quality in CapCut. Now there's not a button you can just click and the video quality is going to be updated or upgraded. What you can do is adjust the color. Now for that, remember the settings I'm going to show you is not going to be same for every video. Each different video has different settings, so you need to play around to figure out the best setting you want. Okay, click on the video. On the timeline at the top, you want to click on the option called basic, and over here what you can do is click on the option retouch again. From here what you can do is turn on skin, click and allow. What this is going to do is if there's any person, it's going to auto track their face, and from here you can make their skin smooth or whitening, all this stuff. Now if you want to make the video great, what you can do is click on the option called adjustment. Once you click on adjustment, what you can do is click on color correction. From here you can choose the color's intensity. The more high you go, the more intense the colors are going to be. The more down you go, the more lower the intensity is going to be. You can also play around with LUTs if you have. If you don't, you cannot. Or you can just play around with these settings like temperature to make it blue, saturation to increase the color, exposure and stuff like that. Now you can play around with this setting to choose the best setting for your video. Click on apply to all and it's going to be applied to all the video. That's how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.